Hello, this is Rick Powers coming to you from my home office for Western Technical College Introductory Statistics, week number 7. So this week is dealing with a very central concept, very important idea in statistics, the idea of the normal distribution. And it's important to understand how the normal distribution works because, as it turns out, if you have a number of samples, if you're going out and you're finding samples, then there are ways in which we can go about making that happen. And we can be almost sure that the results we're going to get are going to give us a bell-shaped distribution. And the mathematics of this bell-shaped distribution allow us to figure out what to expect using something similar to the empirical rule, but the mathematics is a bit different. And that means that we're able to say, I'm really pretty sure that, for example, this medicine will actually make a difference, or that we have a particular size of vehicle that's going to be able to handle the loads that we need it to handle. All kinds of stuff. And one of the most important applications of this is when we do some kind of a survey where we have some kind of a yes-no answer. But it's really important to understand that when we go out and we take a survey of a group of people, if we don't have the entire population, such as of a city or a state, or even of a school, if we're not talking to everyone who's in our group, then we don't have a population, we have a sample. And so that means we don't know the exact answer of what percent of people would be in a particular category. Or a medicine. If we go out and say, okay, we're going to give this to a bunch of people, and we're going to say how many of them actually had improvement or got better. Well, even if we do 1,000 people in a situation like that, we don't necessarily know that it's going to be able to translate into having 10,000 people, and so or 1,000,000 people. So it's a very difficult situation when we ask questions like this. Sometimes when we are working with medicines and things of that nature, but it's also a big deal in politics, right? Because people want to know what's going to happen, and they want to be able to direct their behavior, people, especially in a political campaign, to say, what should we do in our campaign in order to try to help our candidate to win? So it's, I think, a very interesting topic, and it has a lot of applications. But the key to this is the mathematics of the bell-shaped curve or the normal curve. And so that's what we're working on this week. Certainly, if you had any questions, be sure to let me know. And best wishes for this week's material.